Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another quick and easy edit tutorial for you. I'll be showing you how to simply do the Habibi Trend tutorial. This is a trend that I've been seeing on TikTok and I want to show you guys how to go about making your own Habibi edit. So firstly, you're going to launch Chrome or any other browser and search for Habibi Capcut or Habibi Edit. Then you're going to click on the first link that pops up. You could click on any of the other links, but the first one allows you to use 4 photos. Once you're done with that, you would click on use template in Capcut. This redirects you to Capcut where you would select 4 photos, and I'm going to be using Chloe as my reference. This is what it is supposed to look like. The template generates a trend for you without any adjustments required. However, if you decide that you don't like the order of the photos, you could always change them, or if you don't like the photos, you can choose others. So once you're satisfied, you can export the video and save it to your device with the watermark, or you could simply share and save the video to TikTok without the watermark. So that's the end of the tutorial. If you guys like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notification so you'll be notified when I upload more videos.